Hi Parkwood. The PE department hope that you're all staying active. Next week you have the chance to compete against students from other schools in the city in a school games run by archers. Watch the videos coming up to show what you have to do and where you have to input your scores. There are some vouchers available for any Parkwood winner. We look forward to seeing your scores. Stay safe and hopefully see you soon.
Hey, oh, let's go. Hey, oh, let's go. Hey, oh, let's go. Hey, oh, let's go. Hey, oh, let's go.
For the clap and catch challenge, you will need to use a ball or a smaller object which you are able to clap, and you will need to throw the ball up in the air, and whilst it's in the air you need to clap and then you need to catch it when it comes back down.
You have 2 minutes to see how many times you can catch the ball without dropping it, and once you are able to clap once in between, clap twice for 2 points and clap 3 times for 3 points.
Hey, oh, let's go.
We want you to create a brand new game using household objects and then play it with your family. You can write up your ideas using Word or PowerPoint and then submit them via our website, or you can take a photo or record a video and then use the hashtag Sheffield Schools Get Active and post your videos or photos to Twitter.
Hey, oh, let's go.
What we want, ideally, is a photo or a selfie of you keeping active, and this can be just you or it can be you with your family. We want it to be as creative as possible, so let your imagination run wild. Every photo that you submit will receive extra points.
Hey, oh, let's go.
So for this challenge you will need to find a space on the floor, but make sure it's not hard floor like concrete. It needs to be either a mat or a carpet. So for this challenge you will get on the plank position and you will time yourself how long you can hold the plank, and the maximum time will be 3 minutes. Once you have recorded your time, you will put it on your score sheet and you'll know you're doing the plank right because your tummy muscles will be burning.
Hey, oh, let's go.
First, you need to find a line on the ground or make things from home like a skipping rope or a pair of socks. Then you need to ask someone to time 30 seconds for you and then count how many times you can jump over the line with both feet together. Then record your score on your score sheet and good luck. This is a demonstration of speed bands.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, oh, let's go.
So for the target throw, you need to make a target on the floor, or you could use a bucket, and you need an object to throw in the bucket, like some socks or a teddy bear or a beanbag or something. And you need to stand, you need to take 5 big steps away from the target, and each time you need to throw the object into the target and you need to keep running back and forth to get it in. You have 1 minute, and each time it lands in the target, that's 1 point.
Remember to put your scores in your score sheet.